Hi guys, so I am starting this vlog after where I stopped the last one. So today we are going to see the empty house as I mentioned in my last vlog, and today I think there will be no one except us. So I'll try and capture the glimpses of the house so that you can see it, how it looks before and after. I think it will take at least 5-6 months in my opinion, because we don't have that much money to spend. Anyways, I'm getting ready, but before I begin I wanted to show you. I ordered these things. It's from Nykaa store, by the way. I've got Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Sellout. Too Faced Lip Injection, which I'm going to actually wear it today. I tried it when I received it and it's in the shade Wanna Play. I got a free hangover primer from Too Faced sachet. Then Laneige also came out with the 4 variants of this lip balm. It's their lip glowy balm, and I have got it in variant peach. I tried this one as well before I started this vlog, and I'm wearing a dress, by the way. It's a beautiful short summery dress and it's already summers. It's very hot outside. Now I'm gonna get ready and I will be back. Bye. Okay guys, I'm almost done with my makeup. Look at the packaging first of all. So pretty, right? It looks so good when you keep it in your bag. Such a sucker when it comes to good packaging. It smells nice. So it has got color. So if you are someone who's NC42 and above, I would highly recommend this shade because it looks so good when you are not doing much with your makeup. I will show you. It's like a good glossy tint, and I love this kind of makeup looks. I will be using this one a lot. Collagen lip balms. It is very tingling and all. It is, as it says, lip injection, but it feels so good. I was getting ready here. I cannot wait to get a vanity next month. Funny nahi lage?
No, funny lage.
So guys, we are at our new place and I'm gonna try and shoot empty house tour or something. Oh yeah, let's begin. So guys, here how you enter. So I'm gonna put 2 rack or something up here, and then while walking straight up here you see the beautiful view. It's just the reason we are getting this house, for the view. You walk up here, we are planning for a couch on this side. Here we'll have a TV. When you walk here, there is a balcony. Oh my god, I got scared. This is what we'll wake up with every single day. Even we'll have the similar view in our bedroom. Before we go inside, first let me show you guys this room, which is going to be my studio. Ta-da! There's wooden flooring. How cool is that? Such a pretty lighting, you guys. I cannot wait. There will be so much being done. I'm planning for new furniture as well. And the best thing, I have got a separate bathroom just for my room. So I don't want to show you much because it's not that clean. That is what we have in this room. There's AC in each of the room, by the way. So now we are walking this side, and here they have a puja area. It's all painted, newly painted. Then here we have got a storeroom, which I am, by the way, going to turn it into a pantry. Wow. I cannot wait to do that. I will try and make a storage space here because I have a lot of stuff. Boxes cannot be thrown. On this side we have a kitchen, and by the way, you guys, the kitchen also has this beautiful, so I'm gonna cook with a view, you guys. And on this side, okay, it's dark. We have a dry area, so we're gonna have our washing machine, clothes and everything. Here, this space also gets closed. By the way, this space is so small, is not going to hold our refrigerator, so we're gonna store it here. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I think we have to work it that way. I want my fridge in my kitchen because in last house it was such a hustle. Okay, and we move down here. We have our first master bathroom. No, common bathroom. Not gonna show you much because it's not that exciting, so please. On this side, this is going to be my husband's room. We are also going to make this room as a guest room because we always had a problem. Whenever guests come to our place, we didn't have a place to make them sleep. We have to always share our bedroom to our guests. From now on, there won't be any problem. Also, this room has such a view. Every room is just scenic. While walking on this side, we have a master bedroom. There's going to be a huge wardrobe on this side. When we walk down here, there is this view. Waking up to this is such a bliss, you guys. Obviously this is not our house, but it's like such a beautiful place to live in. And there's also a balcony. We are not going to open because we have been there thrice by now. This is all about the house. We also have got bathroom. We are going to change this mirror and all. I always wanted this shape ka basin in our old house. It was round. It was such a hustle to clean my makeup brushes in that. But this is so good. This side we have got bathtub. And there's also shower besides it. This is a good way to design a bathroom, because in our old house there wasn't any shower. It was placed on the bathtub itself. That is all. In this house I will show you everything once everything is decorated. I'm gonna take a leave now and we will see you very, very soon. I cannot wait to decorate everything. Everything has stopped vlogging last. I think I vlogged the donuts, right, which my husband got it for me. I think that's the last clip I have got. I don't remember. I'm here because I will start decluttering and packing from today itself, because on 28th we are emptying this house and we are moving. I'm very excited. I got down here because I just wanted to talk to you what all have went by, because I couldn't vlog everything. It's my husband. So he called me not to say hi, hello or where he have reached. He actually called me to make him a tea. Wife duty. Anyways, I'm not mad. So today is 26th Jan and it's currently 2 o'clock, as you can see. First let me update you what is happening. So first of all, today late evening or maybe by 5-6 o'clock we are going out for buying a new washing machine, because we bought fully furnished house. So it came with the refrigerator, but I did use my own. I was not using the owner's. This house also had 3 ACs in each room, including the hall. Again, I was not using the water purifier because we had our own. So everything was too cold up here and everything was so much cluttered. As you can tell, you have seen so many vlogs in this house. We had a washing machine before we came to Mumbai, but we had to sold it because obviously we didn't want it to place 2 washing machine in the same house, because the dry area is very, very small, and also their washing machine was front load, and now I have used the front load. I actually want to buy a front load, which is quite expensive, but yeah, we will be investing in that. Another update, registration and everything of our new house is done today. My husband is getting back from there itself. He took a half-day leave for this, I think whole day, because he's obviously coming. Every furniture order has been placed, like our wardrobes, sofa, also bed, desk, table as well. Vanities also been placed. A lot of things has been planned and done and everything. So I'm quite now excited to move on. I have to pack the stuff and get this bed down. So that is all the update. Very, very nervous to shoot in public, you guys. I will try and shoot a little bit of snippets, but I'm not too sure how much I will, but I will be definitely coming down here and sharing everything in bits and pieces with you, of course. This time we are buying empty house, which is actually a lot of investment. We have actually spent a lot. My husband is waiting. Bye. It's currently 6 p.m. I'm making green smoothie. I'm using kale because I've seen so many people doing that, so we'll share that how it tastes. Let's try it. Give you guys the taste test. It's so good. I'm a fibrous.
Good.
Like my camera is acting weird. By the way, I have very, very bad makeup situation. It's coming off thing from this and my under eyes, you see. So it's a blunder. Let it be. I can't do anything right now. It is looking so bad. Bye.